You searched how to buy shares of Multiconsult ASA, a Norwegian engineering and consultancy firm active in infrastructure, energy, and construction, listed on Euronext under the ticker MULTI.OL. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After you register, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform's search field and type the ticker MULTI.OL to locate the listing. Select the result that explicitly shows Multiconsult ASA on Euronext to open the correct stock page. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm the business matches Multiconsult ASA. Make sure the exchange is Euronext and the ticker displays Multi.OL before proceeding. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when trading reopens. If your available funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order can be confirmed. Once confirmed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to visit the platform.